Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. The All-Good One is an experience of reality. It is a level clear of differences, where there is nothing to accept or to reject. His embodiment encompasses the totality of the three realms. His speech is joined to the domain of the sky. His heart is truly omniscient. His virtues and good works are apparent to everyone. The most brilliant will reach the ends of their learning in this. This is why the Tantra on the space of great bliss was spoken. It is appropriate that those who go on without reaching any end are made to abide on the path of effortlessness. From Sky Space, the Great Tantra on the Bodhicitta, this is Chapter 2, presenting the heart of the Tantra.